Welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create free website using Netlify. So once you sign up for the website, you click on add new project. So here you can describe your idea. You can just compose anything you want to compose or upload a zip file. Okay, so I typed here build a premium tech website called Rich Boy Tech, Telegram channel name Rich Boy Tech, email contacts email at richboytech.com, website link, YouTube link, TikTok link, S link, IG link, Facebook link, and the rest. So once you click on it, it will create the website for you. So you can see the right side is created. You can see the website is created with the prompts we gave it. So Netlify app is very simple to use. You can either customize it, but this website is very calm and cool. You can see the details I put on the prompt is well organized and established. So you can decide to make changes, decide to rebuild it, change the color or add anything. So that's the website. So let's change the URL to our name. You see richboytech.netlify.app. So you can change you can customize the URL link. Like you can see, we now have richboytech.netlify.app. So you can play with it, you can change the color, you can do anything. So the second step, you can also upload a zip file. If you have a zip file or a script, you can also upload it on the Netlify. Netlify gives you free domain and free hosting. So let's do a second. So click on add new projects. So this one now will be uploading file. Let's just upload a clone version of Coinbase support. Okay, this is it, the zip file. So make sure it's a zip file. Click on open. You can see uploading. Please wait, don't refresh. Okay, done. So let's open it. You can see the Coinbase support have been created. So Netlify is very simple, and you can also choose to use a .com domain or a .net domain if you choose to. Just click here, you can either buy a new domain or add an already existing domain. If you want to buy a new domain from Netlify, just click on the domain name. So make sure it's available. If it's available, you buy for 13.99 USD. Okay, you can see it's very simple. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.